Hey, what's up guys? Pal here, and today I am going to Japan and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm currently here at our condo right now. Let me show you guys around. It's the bed. Living room over there with the TV. There's my luggage. Yeah, condos are pretty small in the Philippines. What's up guys? Currently waiting for my grab car, which is like the Philippines Uber. Heading to the airport, going to Japan for some work and pleasure. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Just arrived at the airport, heading to the Cathay Pacific check-in counter. This is Terminal 3, which is the newest airport of Manila Airport. Looks like there's no line because I'm late. Just checked in. There's no line today, as you can see behind me, which is crazy because Cathay Pacific always usually has so many people. Last time I had a bad experience. But heading to immigration, where the Philippines is famous for swallowing money. What's up guys? Just made it to Hong Kong International Airport and I'm waiting for my flight to go to Tokyo. There was no non-stop flights available that were cheap enough, so I had to fly with a stopover, but it's alright. I'll see you guys in Tokyo. Just arrived here in Japan. Though the walk is really far from the gate to the immigration counter, so I'm able to vlog because you're not allowed to record once you're at immigration or the baggage claim. They're super strict here about recording. Alright, I'm downstairs at the train station. Got my luggage. We're heading to the Appa Hotel, Yokohama Bay. That was like the cheapest room I can get. I wanted to stay in Shinjuku, but rooms in Shinjuku were like $150 a night, whereas this hotel was like $60 a night. So I'll be staying here for 2 nights, and then we'll figure it out from there where I'm gonna stay like Friday night and Saturday night. What's up guys, Pal here. Our Japan trip's gonna start here at Up Garage. For this trip I rented a car just to make it easier on me to go places. It's a Toyota Yaris, I think. It's almost cheaper to rent a car and sleep in it than it is to sleep at a hotel, because a room is like 150 bucks a night. So I currently don't have a hotel room for today, but I'll figure that out later. We got some gems in the parking lot. I'm at Tomei Powered Japan, and this is their little walk-in area where you can come and buy parts and also take a look at the little display and showroom. What's up guys, Pal here, and I'm back here at the Nismo Omori Factory, and let's see what they have today. I've been here before. I'll put a link above of the last time I've been here. Let's see if there's anything new. I'll take you guys along with me. The Yaris is such a super common rental car, so I always love parking next to the Yaris. It's kind of like a little mini car meet. Yeah, this time around there's a lot of cars in the parking lot. Last time I came, there wasn't anything really. R32. Another R32. Man, I mean, even the little economy Nissan cars here are super dope. Nismo Driving Academy cars. Nismo 370. There's an R34 GTT. One day I'll have one. You guys all saw this already on my last video here. The last time I was here, they didn't have a lot of stuff on the other side of this glass. Man, that's awesome. I love the Z-Tune front fenders. They're so aggressive up front. Oh man, here's another R34 with Z-Tune stuff. Yeah, so if you guys didn't know, this place you can bring your R34, I think any Skyline here, and they can pretty much do a full OEM restoration. That's awesome. You pretty much bring your car here with a blank check. Anyways, yeah, you guys have seen all this stuff in my old video, so I'll link it again above. I'm only here to buy some parts. But after this, we'll check out the Nissan Engine Museum. Here's a view from inside the shop. Oh man, one of my favorite colors too. .400Z in the back. I got a weird vlog for you guys today, so I have some unexpected car camping I'm doing in Yokohama. Because I tried to stay at the Appa Hotel, Yokohama Bay Tower, and it's crazy. Like, having a reservation or whatever, the parking's full for hotel guests, which is insane. And pretty much the nearest parking is like a couple kilometers away, and I pretty much would have to take a taxi back. Is the only option. and as you guys know, taxes in Japan are crazy expensive. So I decided to cancel my hotel, and yeah, I found a parking lot near the, I'm gonna butcher it, but the Saraguchi station. So yeah, I mean, I'm right across the post office, which I actually need to go later today because I have to mail out some Tomei parts to the US. So it kind of works out, but it just sucks because, yeah, I'm sleeping in the car, or attempting to sleep in the car. It's 2 a.m. But at least I'll be saving some money because the hotel room was $100 a night. It's pretty much the cheapest around Yokohama on Friday night. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. I have the car on right now because it's gonna go hot. So I'm letting the car cool down, and I'm gonna try to sleep when the car's cooled down, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, good morning guys. So sleeping in the car wasn't too bad. It just sucks because the post office is closed. Let me show you guys how close it was to where I parked. So that building right there is the post office, and I couldn't ship out what I needed to ship out because they're closed, but all the directions or all the information on Google says they're open, and then they have a little board, or actually Google's wrong, but they have like a little board that has their hours and it says they're actually closed on Saturdays. So yeah, I guess I'll just have to ship it out on ship the parts out on Monday in Osaka. So yep, but yeah, I'll be going to Osaka from Yokohama, and I'll let you guys know how it goes.